It has been raining and gale to small craft conditions for, oh man, the better part of the last 2 weeks, off and on. So I got light showers at the moment, boat's blowing around in her slip, and I am going to tackle the classic 20-minute project that will most likely spill into the next several days. We got a new stove, the original, long overdue for replacement. Greasy, filthy mess, although we try to keep it clean, but we do most of our cooking on board. The oven doesn't work, and all the burners are functional, but they basically run at full speed or any less and they flame out. You just can't get a slow, steady, low temp out of the burners. The new stove is outside in the rain, sitting on the aft cabin roof. I don't want to go out there while it's raining. A box actually sat at my house for a couple of hours in the rain, so it's already been saturated. Got that stove on Amazon, free shipping. A friend of mine with the same model CHB installed this stove, so I'm just I'm mirroring exactly what he did for simplicity. He went through the pain and research to find the best value, easiest install. So thank you, David. This looks simple enough. There's 4 screws in the corners, and I don't know if there are lowers as well, but I'm gonna pull these 4. 750 watts of heat. I am freezing. Well, those 4 screws and the propane hose, and the stove is on these nice little sliders. So far so good. There's a rechargeable battery back there. Well, such beautiful woodwork. I feel like such a butcher going in there and tearing things out. But I had to remove these rails that hold the drop-in countertop. This piece right here, you can see it's all burned from the burners anyway, but the new stove, dimensionally it's a little bit different, and I'm not going to be able to utilize the cover with the new grill because it's taller, and this lip is a little bit narrower than the old stove, so that the old stove slid in this channel. The new one is once I get the screws in, it should sit on that lip, but the new one's the width is a little bit less. I'd say 3/8 of an inch less overall. Alright, get this wedged in place. So I gotta screw the new lip in. New stove sticks out a touch more than the old one, and I'm flush. Test fit the cover. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so definitely gonna have to sand and refinish these lips. I should probably get out the sander and sand it now. So that looks like crap. Or maybe I'll line that with stainless. Ooh, stainless. Alright, scraped a little bit of varnish with the heat gun, a little bit of light sanding, shop back running, try to keep the dust under control, get this smoothed out. Still got a little bit of varnish on it. See what kind of solvents I have on board to wipe down. This side's a little rougher. I just gouged a little here with the chisel. I'm not sure actually if I did that or if that was hiding back there before my time. Not sure. A day's wearing on here. Got 3 coats of varnish applied. Looks a little better. But this side is pretty gouged up. What used to be covered by that previous strip of teak. Progress updates, 4 screws installed. Gas line connected. Need to read the manual. I'm not sure how the igniter works. I believe there is an igniter that's battery powered. Yeah, there is a light position. My luck, it's probably on the back side of the stove, inaccessible, now that it's installed. To the manual. It appears I don't have the igniter option. It would be right there. That's fine. We'll go with what we used to use. All good. There it is. A little disappointed I can't install the cover. Oh wait, I wonder if I remove the grill, if it'll fit now. Yeah, it is possible. I'd have to make some new support rails. But with the grate removed, it can be done. It's a little too tight now. I think my extra coats of varnish. Oh, you know what it is? It's when I think the stove is pulling the cabinets in a little bit, because when I screwed it tight, the stove's a bit narrower than the previous one. Success. See how it does on low. Oh, so much better than the old one. It actually goes to low. All right. 20-minute project, 4 hours. Thanks for watching.